Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are working with equal groups with a problem related to TEKS 5.7a. We will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. We have 8 bags of rice. Each bag has the same amount. So this is going to give us our first clue that we are dealing with an equal groups problem. And when we see this statement, each bag, because that lets us know that each group is going to have the same amount. So when we're dealing with an equal groups problem, we have the total, we have the number of groups, and then we have the number in each group. And once we get a statement that says the same number in each group or each, that's going to let us know that we have an equal groups problem. They're going to give us two of these, and we're going to ask for the third. And if they give us the total, that means we're going to divide. If they ask us to look for the total, then that means we are going to multiply. So there are 8 bags of rice. We need to ask ourselves, well, is that going to be our groups, right? So each bag, that is going to be, they identified the group right there. So then that means this is the number of groups, number of groups. And then, so we have, this is the number in each group, the 250 grams. So they are asking us for the total, all 8 bags combined. They're going to ask us for the total. Please note that they give us amount of each group in grams. They're asking us for kilograms. So they are going to have us do a little unit conversion once we get to the end. So let's draw our 8 bags. And so I'm going to just take this, cut it in half. I'm going to cut each half in half because 2 times 2 makes 4. Then cut each fourth in half because 4 times 2 makes 8. There's my eighths. Each of these has 250. So I'm just going to write 250 in each. And so I've got my number of groups, my number in each group. And then I'm looking for the total, but these are grams. So my total is going to be here. And so I can add it up if I want to, or I can multiply. So let's go ahead and multiply. 250 times 8, and that's going to be 40. 16 at 4. Some of you might have just looked at the 250 and realized that 4 250s make 1,000. Now, this is 2,000 grams. Okay, you notice that even if we didn't notice that we were supposed to convert, we should notice that 2,000 does not show up on any of the answer choices. We're looking for kilograms. And so what we need to understand is if we were to look at our reference materials, we would see that 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So what we need to do here is we need to take these 2,000 grams and we need to put them into kilograms. So there's a few ways we can do that. One, if we wanted to use the exact same strip diagram we've already used, what we can look for is we can look for sets of 1,000. So 250, 500, 750, right? So this is 1,000, and this is also 1,000. And then we can say each of these 1,000s equals 1 kg. Okay, so we could do it this way. Or we can make a separate strip diagram. We can start with our 2,000, like this. Here's our total. This is the 2,000 grams. And what we're looking for is we're looking for sets of 1,000. And our question is how many 1,000s can we get out of there? Because every set of 1,000 is going to equal 1 kilogram. So that would be another way that we can do it. When we look at it that way, 1,000, 2,000, there's only going to be 2 kilograms. So either way you look at it, our answer is going to be B, 2 kilograms.